Welcome to 215 Windsor Point Road, Unit D. This nicely updated 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath apartment home with updated luxury vinyl plank flooring and tile flooring throughout inside, as well as stainless steel appliances and a subway tile backsplash. It's located in the Windsor Lake Park neighborhood in Northeast Columbia, convenient to I-20, I-77, Fort Jackson, as well as Northeast area amenities. So we're out front. You can see front door here, and also sort of the covered entry, and also the nice staircase leading up to the unit itself. And before we go in, I do want to mention there is an exterior storage closet right off your entry. So you have space with some shelving for some outdoor, just some storage items outside, and that is lockable. Go ahead and take a look inside. And as we step inside, you will notice that nicely updated LVP flooring that is throughout the unit, and you have tile in both of the bathrooms. So you step into the home into the living room, which as you can see is a nice size. You have a couple of windows out towards the front, as well as a built-in bookshelf or some built-in shelving against the wall. And then the door that you see here to the left of that shelving is to your laundry closet, which has an included stackable washer and dryer, and you even have tile flooring in there as well. And then off of the living room, you have your dining area, a nice window out towards the front, chair rail molding in here. You also have crown molding throughout the entire property as well. You can see the dining area is open to the kitchen, which has been nicely updated with the subway tile backsplash and stainless steel appliances. You have a refrigerator, smooth top electric range, and dishwasher as well. And then as we go on down the hall, you have a utility closet to your left there, just housing some HVAC components. 2 bedrooms off the hall space, as well as this full bathroom with the really nicely updated tile floors and vanity, strip lighting, and shower and tub. Then you have your secondary bedroom right next door. Facing the back, you can see the closet there, but it may go back just behind the door a little bit. And then the linen closet on the way to the primary suite. And then here's that suite itself. You can see it's a bit larger. Window out to that same sort of kind of wood back view, and slightly larger closet in here as well, at least wider. And then you have your half bathroom. You have a single vanity in there. Nicely updated, excuse me, in gray with the tile flooring and a commode. So that completes our tour of this home. Again, this is 215 Windsor Point Road, Unit D in Northeast Columbia. You can find more information online at sc.purepm.co.